Hi everybody, I hope you're ready for the weekend. This is Neil Walters, and in today's video I want to show you how you can create a Bitcoin wallet, get some free funds put into it, and just play around with it without worrying about having to mess anything up because you're playing with basically some free money. And we're not talking about a lot of money, we're talking about probably less than a penny actually. So I haven't practiced this video at all. I'm just going to type in here, create Bitcoin wallet. And what I'm trying to guarantee you how easy this is that you can just actually Google some of these things and do it. So, I mean, I know a few things because I study Bitcoin all day long, right? Or several, many hours a week. So here it says choose your wallet, bitcoin.org. And so we've talked before about how Bitcoin is not really a company, but there's an organization that makes it kind of works more smoothly. They don't own Bitcoin, but they help create and manage the software behind Bitcoin, which is run on thousands of miners. So we're going to go to that website and make a wallet. Cookies. So all wallets, desktop, hardware, mobile, or web. I want to use a web wallet because that way you don't have to download anything to your PC except maybe the backups. And here's a couple different ones. Let's use just this one, btc.com. We're going to visit their website. So if you're ever going to come back to this wallet, you're going to need to know, what the name of the website is. So what we're going to do is we're going to save that in a file. So on my computer, I just opened, you can use Notepad or Notepad++, something like that, some editor, Word or something like that to save this information. So here I'm going to provide my email and a password. So let me do that off screen here. Or actually, I'll just mask it out when I do the video. What I use to remember my passwords is this little tool called RoboForm. So see here, I'm just going to generate a password and copy it and paste it in here. And it will actually remember that password for me. You have to agree to the terms of service and paste the password again. And see here, I'm going to put this demo wallet. So it's saving it in RoboForm now. Now here it says download your wallet backup. So just in case there's a problem, you want to save this PDF file to your disk. Now when I click save, it may save it to my disk or it may actually open it on the screen, but I don't really care. I don't mind if you see this one. It says here now, like when you're really sure you've saved it, you can continue. So I'm going to go open that PDF file on my disk. Give me just a sec. Okay, so here's the information about the wallet. And I'm going to reveal to you here my secret words. So this is the encrypted primary seed, the backup seed, and the recovery secret. So if you knew all these words here, you should be able to basically steal my wallet, okay? So if you have the time to write all those down right now in this video, we're going to see if we can put a few cents in this wallet, and maybe you can be the first one to take it out. Be kind of like a fun little game, right? So that's the PDF that got downloaded, and it also has these things called QR codes here. So if you snap that with your phone, that would give you access to this wallet, except these are the public keys. So you can give out your public keys, but remember you never want to give out your private keys like I'm doing here, basically. More information. Now see, I'm never going to put any real money in this wallet. I know better than to do that, right? So I'm doing dangerous things here that you would not do if you're doing this. Okay, so I say here, I've saved it and I'm ready to continue. Okay, so I want to receive some money. I want to get my what's called my public access, public key to this wallet. So I'm going to click receive here. It says here, see, this is your Bitcoin address. So I'm going to go back to Notepad++, and I'm going to put that here, public address. And just for fun, let's see if we can see your private address here. I don't know if it shows you that. Okay, so there's several ways you can get money in your wallet. Number one is you can give your public address here to someone else and ask them to send you some money. Or notice here they actually have a buy option, and they use this tool or another website called Simplex. And let's just say, for example, I wanted to buy 1/10 of a Bitcoin, or let's say 100th of a Bitcoin. Let's make it even smaller. 100th of a Bitcoin right now, that one Bitcoin's over 13,000, so 100th of a Bitcoin would be $133. And if you wanted to do that, you'd go over to this other website here, and then of course you'd have to give them your credit card. And it's kind of unusual. For a while there, these companies didn't want you to use your credit cards to buy Bitcoin, but now they're seeming to allow it in some cases. So I don't know what the current status of that is. Okay, but I don't really want to do that. That was just to show you that that's how fast you could have Bitcoin, I guess. Okay, so now I'm going to show you another little trick here, and I haven't done this. I don't know if I've ever done it. There's a thing called BitCoin faucets, and these are little kind of tiny websites where they'll maybe give you some free Bitcoins. Okay, now we've made our wallet, and I went down a trail that didn't work out. There are these things on the internet called BitCoin faucets, where in theory, if you go to a website and do something, they will give you a small percentage of a Bitcoin. But I actually went to some of those sites, and it was a total waste of time. I was trying to show you how you could get maybe 0.001 Bitcoin transferred to your wallet for free, but there's just so many gimmicks and signups you have to do, and the work you have to do that to retrieve anything from one of these faucets was just way overwhelming. So it didn't work out. So I was just going to show you here. I did a Google search for Bitcoin faucets. Like I said, I would suggest you do not waste your time with these. So to put money in that wallet in a future video, I will go to Coinbase and I will transfer a small fraction of a Bitcoin from Coinbase to that wallet. So that'll be in my next video. So this will be like a little series. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to create your first Bitcoin wallet, even if it doesn't have any money in it. Talk to you later.